it's Jennifer John here, one of the Canadian Certified Podorthists at Infinity Orthotic Centre, and today I just wanted to briefly discuss some tips of treating plantar fasciitis, otherwise known as heel pain, at home. So basically, plantar fasciitis is just an inflammation of the plantar fascia ligament, and it attaches at the base of the heel and spans the entire bottom of the foot and attaches individually on each of the toes. So it's a big supporting ligament on the bottom of the foot. When it hurts, it hurts. So there's many causes for plantar fascia to become inflamed, and it's best to know why it's irritating you when you come in for an assessment. One of our podorthists will determine the cause, but you definitely don't want to wait to seek help. We see many people that have come and said, oh, my heels have been hurting for months or years, and that makes it a little bit more difficult to treat as tendons and ligaments can change over time with constant inflammation. So some quick tips though of some home care when you're experiencing heel pain or plantar fasciitis are, first is to try to eliminate or very much reduce your time spent in bare feet. This is obviously most important at home because when you come home you take your shoes off and you walk around the house. So we want to limit bare feet. So that means wearing some kind of footwear in the house. It is ideal to have footwear and or a sandal or a shoe or a slipper that has a bit more of a firm sole on it, but ideally to have something that is elevated at the heel. We don't want it super flat because the plantar fascia is on the bottom of the foot, and if we can elevate the heel slightly, it reduces the pull of the ligaments and the stress on the plantar fascia. So number one, limit bare feet and wear something in the house. Number two is a quick, easy trick with ice and using a water bottle. So just grab a water bottle, freeze it in the freezer. Basically, you're going to just put it on the floor. You can do this sitting, watching TV, reading a book, eating dinner. So you put the water bottle on the floor with it being frozen. Of course, you want to leave a sock on because you don't want ice right on your bare skin. And then basically just put a little bit of pressure and roll back and forth. The massage feels good, as well as the ice helps to reduce the inflammation that happens. It's best to do this as often as you can. There's no possible way to ice too much, but the trick is doing it consistently. Doing it just one time isn't going to make a permanent change. Number three, I guess we're at, is everybody typically gets symptoms in the morning. So when they wake up with pain in the morning and they step down, it hurts to just go to the bathroom. So we do some simple recommendations of stretches to do before getting out of bed. And this also goes for if you've sat at a computer desk for a long period of time at work and you go to get up and it hurts. So basically we want to loosen up the plantar fascia on the bottom of the foot. So in the morning, we suggest before getting out of bed, just doing gentle movements with your foot and ankle. So basically kind of writing the alphabet with your foot. And it's just getting all ranges of motion moving, loosening up the ligament so it doesn't hurt so much when you step down. And of course, you're going to step down in your supportive footwear. When you're throughout your day, some stretching is good, and if we can just use a regular belt, do this at home while you're watching TV. If you put your foot up on an ottoman or a couch cushion, if you will, and basically we want you in a relaxed position. The belt is going to come right across the bones of the ball of your foot, and you wrap it around, and you're going to then just pull back on the belt, and that allows a stretch of the plantar fascia as well as the calf muscles in the back of the leg. A definition of a true stretch is to be held for 20 to 30 seconds. So we don't want any pulling of sorts. We just want to pull, hold till we're comfortable, and count to about 20 to 30 seconds. Same kind of concept of stretching throughout your day. If you have stairs or anything accessible, to stretch the calf muscles. So if we hypothetically pretend this is a stair and you're standing on a stair, we want to stretch the calf muscles as well, which are connected to the plantar fascia. So ball of the foot goes on the edge of the stair, and then basically we just drop our heels down. So again, this is stretching the calf muscle, which connects to the fascia. And we want to do this throughout your day, again, holding for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. So those are some quick at-home tips that we suggest for anybody with plantar fasciitis or experiencing heel pain. Of course, there's many more tips dependent on your foot type and the condition that's going on. And it is best to give us a call and book an appointment, and we'd be happy to help and give you more tips to get you feet feeling better.